Are you really a trillionaire?
That would make me the world's first, right? No, I'm not a trillionaire. I'm going to give it up. I do believe I'm one of the richest people on the planet because I have so much money that money doesn't mean anything. I also have a very, very loving family, a strong brotherhood, a healthy body, a strong mind. There's nothing I would change about my life or myself. I believe I have absolutely everything. My life is perfect. So for that reason, I consider myself the richest man on the planet.